So I've been working on building this drift trike on and off for the past few months, trying to put it all together with spare parts I've acquired. I got a bike that wasn't in working condition, so I cut it in half naturally and welded it to some old couch frame pieces I had. The thing that's been holding me up on this is trying to find some drive wheels to, nestle in here. Since I've been doing this all with spare parts, trying to keep the cost down. And I don't want to spend, $100 Canadian a piece for wheels and tires. So today I'm going to bring y'all along as I try to fashion up some DIY Go Kart wheels. Or drift trike wheels, whatever. So I have this pair of 6-inch rims and tires. They're from a Honda lawn tractor. I bought them on Kijiji, which is Craigslist in Canada here. All four were 25 bucks, so I'm out maybe $12.50 if I ruin this pair of wheels. They're really quite nice. And the best part of them is that right in here, where the bearing went, is almost 1 5/8 inch, which is the same as the pilot hole in a W-style weld-on hub. So today's plan is to hog this hole out a little bit so this will slip in and then weld it on. And that should allow us to have a drive wheel to get the keyway there. I think this will be a nice, $20, $30 solution to what was turning out to be a $200 problem. So the plan here is to take a little Dremel, just gently grind away the inside of this, I guess, race or whatever recess where the bearing sat. And do a little bit at a time so as to not ruin it. After a few minutes of grinding, got that hole bigger. This fits in a little bit of a tap. It'll bottom out. I'm not going to do that right now. Just have to clean this surface up for welding. But yeah, I'll grab the other wheel and get going on that one. Not bad. Now I just got to clean up the surfaces we'll be welding here. I'm going to clean up the rest of the rims. It might be a little difficult while the hub is on to do that, so yeah. Okay, I got everything set up to weld here. Cleaned up all the surfaces that'll be welded together. Some denim from somewhere, I don't know, probably from my mom's old sewing stuff or whatever. I got it soaked down a little bit with water so it won't catch fire. Welding trick I learned somewhere. And yeah, we're gonna just put a couple big fat tacks in there for now and keep working our way around. So I'm not going to win any prizes for beauty in these welds, but everything tacked up, worked just as I planned. Had a few big tacks on each side. This is my first one. Took a little bit of trial and error to figure out the right, angle and whatnot. Of course, I'm just making excuses because I'm a lousy welder, but here we have it. So they're tacked up. I will finish welding them all the way around once the rest of the mock-up's done. But yeah, there you have it. That is a $30 solution to what was turning out to be a $200 problem. So the finished wheels are in place now on the drift trike. Everything's welded up on the hubs. Got locking collars there to sort of hold everything in place from sliding around. Bearings are in. Just doing the finishing touches now, hooking up the throttle cable and primer bulb and all that fun stuff, and hopefully we can take this out for a rip soon.